In this video, I'm going to show you the advanced settings menu on the display screen of the Tamobyke T63. I'll also show you some of the hidden features on the remote control of the screen. But before we get started, I hope you like and subscribe. So if you hit the power button once, it will give you the average speed of your trip. You hit it again, it will give you the max speed of the trip. And then if you hit it one more time, it brings you back to the instantaneous speed. If you hold the minus button for about 2 or 3 seconds, it will engage walk mode, which spins the rear motor at about 2 to 3 miles per hour, so you can walk with the bike and help you as you move along. To end walk mode, just simply tap one of the brakes and you'll see that that icon stops and everything returns to normal. To increase your pedal assist modes, hit the plus button. To decrease your pedal assist mode or speed, then hit the minus button. Now jumping into the advanced settings menu, hold the plus and minus button simultaneously for about 2 or 3 seconds. And you're going to see here, this is the P01 setting and it's set to 01. 01 is for miles per hour. If you want to change it to kilometers, hit the plus button and then the display screen will go to kilometers per hour. Now if you want to go to the next P setting, hit the power button once. So P02 is the screen brightness, 01 is the dimmest, 02 is medium, and 03 is the brightest display. I like to keep it on the dimmest display. And then I'm going to move on to P3. And P3, this is the screen lock. If you set this to 01, you have to use the app on your phone to unlock the bike every time you turn it on. I'm going to leave it to 00 so I can turn on using just this power button. Now P04, moving on, this is the max speed of the bike. It's set to 32 kilometers per hour or 20 miles per hour. I've tried changing this to increase the speed of the bike, but it's governed to 20 miles per hour with the controller. Moving on to P05, this is to clear the odometer. So you'll simply set that to 1 and that will clear the odometer if you want. So moving on to P06, this is the drive mode. So drive mode 02 is for pedal assist and using the half twist throttle. If you move up here and change it to 00, this is pedal assist only and will deactivate the throttle. If I go to 01, that's throttle only, and then back to 02, that's throttle and pedaling at simultaneously. So moving on to P07, this is for cruise control. Now 00 is the default, that is the cruise control on. If you set it to 01, the cruise control will be turned off. That allows you to hold the throttle for about 3 seconds and then you'll see the sign on the screen. Actually, I'll show you that if I go hold the speed and then cruise control turns on, you can see that little sign there with the speedometer and the arrow. And then to turn cruise control off, I will simply just hit one of the brakes. It disengages the cruise control. And then the last setting is P08. The setting is 00. I'm not sure what this setting's for. Now, I've been told that if you hold the plus button for about 5 seconds, that it'll reset the bike and odometer, but that didn't work for me. And then if I hit the power button one more time, it brings me back to P01. To retain those settings, I'll hold the plus and minus button. It brings me back to the main screen. Now to sync the bike to the app, you're going to download the Tamobyke app from the Android or Apple App Store, and then you're going to connect to your bike with it powered on, and then you'll see that the bike is available in the app as shown here. Now there's various settings. You can restrict the speed. So if you have a child, you can change the speedometer on here. You can also see where the bike's located. This is where you can turn on and off the lock feature. There's definitely some really neat features in the app. So if you have any questions, please leave in the comments. I hope you liked this video, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.